Hey guys, today in this video we are going to create this simple CSS art. This is a rat actually. So this is what we are going to create today. So let's get started. So I will create a new folder called rat, and I will go here and I will open cmd inside this folder by typing cmd, and I will write code dot to open my VS Code inside this folder. Okay, we can close this and my VS Code is here. Now I can create a new file called index.html, and we can create style.css. okay, inside index.html I will write this exclamation mark and then hit enter for this boilerplate, and I will rename this to rat CSS art. Okay, like this. Okay, now we will link our style sheet by writing link CSS. So our style sheet is linked. To test it, we can just click on this go live to open this inside this live server. I've installed live server. You can also install. If you don't have it, you can go to the extension and you can search for live, and here live server, which I have already installed. That's why I see this button go live here, or I can just right click and open with live server. Both will do the same. Live server is starting, and here our live server rat CSS art. Okay, so I will just minimize it and minimize this as well. Okay, I have kept it right side by side. Now I will do CSS reset, margin 0, padding 0, and in body I will go inside this here and take a div called rat. This will be the main div, and inside here I will take rat body. So I will take this rat body and go to CSS and give it a background color of gray. I'm going to pick the color from Photoshop, so this color. Go back. Okay, background color hash this. Okay, now position will be relative. Height 200 pixel, width 210 pixel. Okay, now I want to make this thing into the center, so I will go inside this body here, our document body, and I will give it a min height of 100 VH, and I will say display grid, and I will say place items center. As soon as I save it, it's in the middle now. Okay, now now we have to make it something like this curvy here. So I will take this left top radius, so I will take border top left radius 50%. Okay, good. Top right radius 60%. Okay, border bottom left radius 60%, and finally border bottom right radius 20 pixel. Okay, so we have this kind of shape now. As we can see, this shape we are following. Okay, next is we will go back to the HTML and we will take dot rat underscore I, sorry, ear, and let's style this now. Position absolute. Since our body is relative, it's going to be absolute according to our body. Okay, so we will say background color, and we pick the background color from Photoshop, this color. Okay, height 80 pixel, %. Now we will go again in HTML, and this time we will take rat eyes dot rat underscore I. Okay, and we will take this rat eye, not cut, we will copy this, and I will go and target this here. Position absolute, background color, again we are going to pick from Photoshop, so I'll just click here and I will just copy this color code. Now height 35 pixel, width 20 pixel, right 20 pixel, bottom 30 pixel, border radius 20 pixel. Okay, so our eye is already set at its place. Now we are going to make the nose. So for nose I'm going to take rat nose, like say dot rat underscore underscore nose. Okay, and I will copy the exact CSS property of ears into nose like this, and then I will override some of the style. So I will type dot rat nose, and I will do width 30, height 30, right -18, top auto, okay, and then bottom -5. Okay, so our nose is also placed at right position. Now the next thing is this tail here. This tail we are going to create this curvy tail. So for that we are going to go outside the body, outside of this body, but inside this rat, and we are going to do rat tail, something like this, and then we will copy this and I will do position absolute, height 200 pixel, width 150 pixel, border radius 50%, and border left solid 10 pixel, hash F5 this color, hash F5 again, no, not this one, actually this color. Okay, so our tail is here, as we can see. Top -20 pixel and left 10 pixel. We have to make our rat position relative, so we will go at the top and take the rat container and make it position relative. Now save, and here we go. Our tail is actually at the right position now, but it's going above the body, so we can give it as z index of -1, -1. Yeah, now it's behind the body and our tail is actually at the right position right now. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching this. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in the next one.